What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SoFi stock. I'm going to be giving you guys some bullish things that are heading our way right now. I want to say happy Father's Day, and also the stock market is going to be closed tomorrow on Monday. So I wanted to give you guys, a video to think about because, we're going to have a lot of volatility heading our way this week. But don't get discouraged. Short-term volatility is absolutely nothing. It just brings you, buying opportunities. We are in this company for the long term for its massive upside. I want you guys to know I'm investing in this stock because I believe that this company is going to have huge profits in the future as a digital bank. Right now, SoFi is in the massive scaling process, getting as many people to the platform as they can, and they are about to hit an inflection point where they're going to have just so much top line revenue coming in, all three of their business segments profitable, that they're going to be a profitable business. And they've already said this, three or so times that this is going to be happening in Q4. And I'm looking into the metrics right now online, and SoFi is absolutely exploding, in its rankings as a bank, its top line revenue. When I show you some of these numbers, guys, you are going to be truly blown away. If you find any of this information useful, be sure to smash the like button. Let's try and get the video to 1,000 likes. Don't forget to drop a comment. I'm going to be commenting back to as many people as I can. What are you going to be doing this week? Are you buying, selling, holding? I want to know. I'm going to comment back to as many people as I can. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. We are getting so many new subscribers to the channel. It's absolutely amazing. Let's try and get the channel past 15,000 subs. Let's get into the video. And guys, I also want you to know I transferred all of my Robinhood holdings into SoFi. I already had a bunch of stock in SoFi, but now I am fully out of Robinhood. Robinhood is not going to get any more money off of me. I'm not trading their options or anything. I'm going to trade options on, SoFi if I want to trade options. I want you to get some free stock with SoFi. Click the link in my comments section. You can get $25 worth of your favorite stock to start building your portfolio with SoFi with at least 10 bucks. You deposit $10, they're going to hook you up with $25, and you could buy literally, 3 shares of SoFi right now for free. So get your free stock with SoFi. All right, guys, it looks like SoFi, is finally getting their updated metrics for the month of May. Of course, we're in June right now, so we won't be seeing, the June monthly metrics online on SimilarWeb. But look at this, guys. Country rank, we just jumped up 89 spots. In the finance category, plus 3 spots. Global rank, we're making 400 position moves. That's insane movement. SoFi is just starting to gain so much traction, and I think this NFL season is what really sets SoFi apart from some of these legacy banks, just becoming a bigger household brand name. That's exactly what's happening right now. Take a look at the website traffic, guys. March, we had 11.8, April, 11.5, and then May exploding. Remember, guys, April, May, June is the Q2. So we are just exploding in the middle of the quarter. And remember, guys, today's the 18th. 12 more days, and then Q2 is a wrap. It is over. So this is what you want to be seeing in the middle of Q2. And you could also see on my Twitter, the CFO, I put a little bit of update what he was talking about. He says we're seeing an amazing Q2 quarter right now, guys, and I think we are going to hit records across the board in pretty much every business segment. So check this out, guys. I want to show you how fast SoFi is truly growing right now. Take a look at the 2020 revenue estimates. This is when we first started covering SoFi, and they went public as a SPAC. For the full year, they did $621 million. Remember that number. That's for 4 quarters. Full year, $621 million. If you take a look at this current quarter right now, we have 10 analysts covering this stock. They have an average estimate of 478, a low estimate of 437, and a high estimate of $503 million, guys. If SoFi can come out on that high end of $503 million, guys, they are literally almost doing full year revenue of 2020 in 1 quarter in 2023. Think about how fast the company has grown. 2 more quarters from now, they are literally going to be doing, 600 million plus. That's the full year 2020. Just like that, guys. That's absolutely insane. If they do come out on top, about 503 million, they're going to be looking at near 40 3% growth. Maintaining that type of growth for, 3 years straight, that is awesome. That's exactly what we want to be seeing. Now, guys, I want you to get prepared for the short-term volatility this week. If you're holding the stock or plan on entering the stock, remember, we have 15 analysts covering the stock. So a lot of different opinions are out there right now. You need to realize that, all these analysts have not came out, just this past, week or so, and given like price target changes on the student loan. So that's what I'm talking about. You could be seeing a couple more opinions coming out this week, upgrades, downgrades, neutrals, everything. So as of right now, out of the 15 analysts, you could see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 of the analysts have updated their price targets in about the last 30 days or less. Most of them, in the last 3 weeks or less. So we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 guys out there that may drop some headlines this week. I for sure think one of them is going to do it. Okay, so there's 6 personalities out there right now, and you could see, we got 3 buys, 4 holds, so it's pretty much, all neutral. Okay, so you're going to get an equal amount of upgrades, equal amount of downgrades. It just matters, on what type of day we're having inside of the market. So that's the short-term volatility I keep talking about with SoFi. A lot of opinions out there, able to control this stock and manipulate it early morning, pre-market, and stuff like that. So just be prepared. So guys, what's awesome is I didn't know on the Federal Reserve statistical release measuring, the largest commercial banks by assets, you could actually go back and look at the old updates. And I want you to see, guys, exactly 1 year ago, when we did the Q1 earnings, going back 12 months, you can scroll all the way down and take a look at this, guys. I mean, it takes me a while to find it. I want to show you guys in real time, how far SoFi was down. We were the 449th largest bank by assets, guys. Take a look at that. 449. We had about $2 billion in assets. This is like right around when we got the bank charter. So 449. I mean, this is a big list, guys. This is over 1,000 banks, I believe. Fast forward 12 months, guys, 114. And this was, almost 3 months ago now. So, guys, SoFi is absolutely exploding. I mean, you're investing in a company that's pretty much had no price action for the past 2 years besides the last 30 days, but was able to grow from about 450 to 114 largest bank by assets. And guys, a lot of people have been talking about it. We think that the SoFi stock is headed into the top 100 right now. I mean, when I say right now, I'm talking about 12 days from now. Okay, 12 more days, we're done with Q2, and we could slip up another 14 spots into the top 100, which would put us around 16 billion in assets or something like that. Okay, that would be absolutely insane. Imagine for the next 3 quarters to finish out the year, we just move up 10 spots, 10 spots, 10 spots. That's going to put you around 70 to 80. That's absolutely insane. And if you type in top 100 banks in America, Wikipedia is popping up before the Federal Reserve Board. And if we click it, I don't know how the heck this is updated already, but take a look. As you go down a little bit, all the way to the 100th spot, and SoFi is literally at the 100th spot. I don't think this is going to be completely accurate because, the quarter isn't even, finished out right now. There's still 12 days left in the quarter, but, maybe, this is what it was, just a couple of weeks ago when they updated this. And look, it has us at 19 billion assets. So we made another huge jump, the same thing that we continuously been seeing. So, if we go 450 to 100 in 15 months, holy crap. You are talking about the fastest growing bank, the fastest growing fintech in America right now. I mean, you could just fast forward, 2-3 more years, you're heading into the, top 25 banks. These are banks that have been around for hundreds and hundreds of years. This is insane growth. I believe SoFi is not getting priced for that growth right now. I mean, you still got, fintechs right now, less revenue than us, less users than us in the private markets, trading at around 20 to 30 billion dollars. They're smart for staying private, but that also doesn't help with funding and stuff. It just helps give you the valuation for when you go public to the market. But guys, SoFi is undervalued right now compared to the private markets for fintechs. And guys, we all know we peaked at around 1020 in the pullback right now. I believe it's right around like 18 to 20% because this topped us out at about 10.05 on the chart. So yeah, we had a 20% pullback. We were down about 10%, which I said was pretty good on Thursday, but then we got the double neutral, double downgrade. That's what I'm talking about with the manipulation with the analysts, and that pushed us down 20%. And now everybody's saying, this stock is, worthless. It's going to crash. It's just part of the game, guys. If you want to invest in a superior high growth stock, remember the volatility will be 10 out of 10. It's going to be absolutely insane. You got to learn to stomach it. I've learned to stomach it over the past couple of years when, we're trading at the $4 or $5 range and I was buying, tens and tens of thousands of dollars because I thought it was super undervalued, especially under book value. That's pricing in no growth at all. So, I wouldn't mind to come down a little bit more. I would, continue to average down and just, keep holding the stock. But I think, if we have, two good earnings and, more guidance raises and the student loans, start to come back, I think this could be a $20 stock, by the time we hit around New Year's, pretty easily because the movements you have in this stock, you see, we just went up 100% in like 2-3 weeks, guys. It was an absolutely insane rally. And I think this rally can continue because we've seen, mega cap stocks, 100 times larger than us, move up 300+% with Meta and Nvidia. So this stock could easily get moving in the right direction, especially if they turn profitable. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you guys. Be sure to smash the like button. Don't forget to drop a comment. I'm going to be commenting back to as many people as I can. And don't forget to click the link in my comments section and sign up for the SoFi Invest platform. Deposit $10 and get your $25 of free stock. I'm out of the Robinhood app. They're not getting any more money off of me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's try and get the channel past 15,000 subscribers. Happy Father's Day, everybody. And don't forget, the market should be closed Monday, I believe. Have a great day.